In this video, we're going to start setting up our business manager.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And of course, you can run your ads right from your personal Facebook page, but that's not the recommended way to do it, because what if something happens to that ad account, or if it gets banned, then you really just had like one place where you were running things. And of course, if you in Facebook Business Manager, you can create multiple accounts. You can manage customer accounts if you have clients for whom you run ads, and you can manage your own freelancers if you have that, and maybe business partners. So there's a lot of things that you can do. This is really the tool. So we're just going to set up the account. On the top right, you're going to click create the account. The first line should be branded because it says this will be visible across Facebook. So I'm going to give it something like my brand. And I'm going to enter my email and press next. I'm going to skip this part because I don't want to expose my email. On the next page, you will see this personal information. You will fill this out and press submit, and I'll do the same. Once you press submit on the previous page, it's going to send you an email with a link that you would click, and once you click that link, you would verify your account. Once you verify your account, you'll get a screen like this, and this is your first screen. Now, very quickly, Facebook is experimenting with design changes for your business manager. So what's going to happen is you might see a screen like this, or you might see another screen which is going to look something like this. Whatever the design, it doesn't matter because you're in the right place. And after this, we're going to begin setting up all your ads. And the visual cosmetic changes doesn't actually matter for what we're going to be doing because the steps to set up the ads will still be similar.